I got these old coins here, and they're like 1851 pennies, got a silver dollar. I want to see if I could shine these up. I heard you're not supposed to do it because it'll ruin the value of the coin, patina or something like that, but it's just a few of them. Probably got about $100 worth of coins here. But I want to see how shiny I can get them like the day that they were minted. Look at this old penny from like 1850. I want to see what it's going to look like. Take some baking soda. We could try that and see what happens. I'm just going to throw these in here right now. And next I'm going to take a spoon of baking soda. And we're going to do the silver one. Look how tarnished it is. Let me scoot this way. So we'll do the silver one first, and then we'll show you guys the other ones. I'm going to get this wet. I'm using just my hands here, just to show you what that does. So the effort here is probably going to be like a 5, not even, maybe a 2. So like no effort at all. All right, now just rinse it. Look at that. That's awesome. So not a lot of effort on that. I'm gonna do the back side real quick. I mean, it cleaned it, but it didn't bring it to where I want. I'm gonna really go at this with it. Let's see what happens. Pennies from the 1851. We're gonna see what happens. We're gonna clean that 1851. All right, so I'm gonna take the baking soda. I got this cloth, towel, whatever you wanna call it. Got some baking soda in there. And we got it in there like that. And now I'm just gonna scrub. See if something happens. I hope so. I really want to see this coin shine like the day it was minted. I know people will say it ruins the value and stuff like that, but it's only a $20 coin, $30 coin, maybe 50 tops, I think. So, if I'm wrong, correct me. I think this can get it. I'm sure you're gonna have to put a little bit of effort, but look at that. Stuff's coming off it. Oh yeah, we're getting to the copper there. Oh, got a hair on there. Let's get the hair out of the video. All right, we're gonna try this again. Keep going at it. So that was about 1 minute of scrubbing, probably on each side. And it did make it look really cool and more noticeable. But if you want to clean this really good, I think you're gonna have to get in there and probably use a strong toothbrush, not a braid brush, just a toothbrush. But yeah, it can come out. Look at that. That's awesome. So if this video helped you out, give me a thumbs up. Alright, so we got a bunch of old coins here, and I just wanted to clean this one. I forgot the whole reason I made this video is because it's my oldest coin. It is a 1804 half cent, USA, American. It just says half cent on it. I think it's their lowest denomination ever made. Got a flying eagle over here, but I'm gonna try to clean that one. A lot of them look the same on the back. You see that? 1 cent. I can't remember what year this one was. Oh, 1857 penny. Hey, that's weird. I think they made an 1857 penny there and an 1857 1 cent. Probably the same year. I'm pretty sure of it. Anyways, we're gonna get the baking soda on here on this thing, and I want to shine up my oldest coin that I have with this method, because I want to see what it really looks like. I know it's going to take off 10 bucks of value or so on it, but at least my favorite coin will be awesome and shiny. That's the only reason I'm doing that. It's probably my favorite coin. Hey, I thought I'd show this one off too. I think that's or is it a 2 cent? I think it is, or is it a half cent? Oh yeah, 2 cent. Nobody even knew America made a 2 cent. I got a 3 cent coin too. It's a little bit smaller than a diamond. It says 3 on it. It has 3 big bars on it on the back side. I can't remember what's on the front of that 3 cent American coin. But you didn't know they made one of those. If you're wondering what this is, that's a silver dollar. It's called a Morgan. This does take some effort, but you know what? It's going to be worth it. Try to use my hand method again. I think the hand method might be the best way to get this off. I don't think it's really harming the coin much at all. Damn, is it looking sweet. Yeah, because even using a cloth, it doesn't really get it off. I think just using your fingers. like I did in the beginning of the video, if you saw that, or at the end of the video. I can't remember where I put it. The Morgan dollar. Look at that. It's coming out. Alright, so I got that as clean as I can get it. That looks freaking sweet. 1804 half-cent coin. I mean, look at that. You could see a lot more detail if the light wasn't so bright. Let me try to turn it over there. It's got some detail on it, that's for sure. And here's the back side. Half-cent. You could buy one of these on eBay. Might cost you about 40-50 bucks. That's about it though. My favorite coin, all shined up.